Have our brass pulls here. This is one of our Lotus pulls. You can see that this one is quite tarnished and this one is much more of the brassy, beautiful color that we love. So we're gonna start with our buffing wheel, put a little bit of rouge on our wheel here. And our buffing wheel here is just gonna do the bulk of the work for me, that's all. You can already see that I'm starting to take off all that tarnish, right? A little bit more, we're getting much closer to our next process. All right, finally we've hit kind of the lobes or the petals, I don't know, whatever the hell you want to call this thing. Now we'll go ahead and go to our smaller wheel. All right, now we're gonna take a polishing wheel, get a little bit of rouge, kind of work. We're gonna use our wheel here to get inside of these little crevices. It does not take much, right? But we're getting all the little spots that our bigger wheel couldn't get. Now we have two brilliant Lotus pulls that we'll clean up and then we'll get ready to go ahead and lacquer them. Another quick tip when you're working with brass, wear gloves, because the oils that get on here will cause this stuff to tarnish much faster than normal.